As far as steam mops go, there's quite a few on the market to choose from. I chose the one made by Bissell. They're a reputable company, been around for a long time. And this particular model I got, the Select, is a steam mop. And good day, today we're having a look at this. It's quite a large box, as you can see. And this is the Bissell Select Steam Mop. And we're about to open it and we'll see what's inside. And I believe that you're better off getting a dedicated tool rather than something that does a little bit of everything and doesn't do it properly. And this is what was in the box itself. We've got the steam mop, and as you can see the brand is Bissell, and it's got Select, which is the model. The lead, I'm not quite certain how long that is, I'll measure that out later. We've got a handle with a steam release button on it. We've got two separate mop pads. One has got ridges in it, one is a little bit smoother, and this one has the mop head itself attached. So now what we need to do is simply connect the two together. You'll notice we have a little click mechanism on the back here. We have a little hole on the bottom, and that aligns with a slot on the top. Snaps in position. As you can see, we're now secure. We go to the other end and we have to connect this. You'll notice there's two holes. We've got two buttons on the side, so again you just simply align, push it in, and it's now snapped in position. Simple as that. As you can see, the lead is wrapped nicely on these little tabs that are built into the unit itself. For those interested, it's a 6 metre lead, so that's pretty good. And down the other end here, which is the bit that we put the water in, just simply slides out. You have a screw on the bottom, so we can put the water in the reserve. That screws back in position and slots back in place. The water tank holds 500 millilitres of water. It's got a one-way valve, so it doesn't leak when you turn it upside down, and it just simply slots back into position like so, and we're ready to go. And as you can see, we've got a bit of an area here that's got a bit of dirt in it. There's a doorway just over to the side there, and we had muddy feet come in, so let's get this thing fired up. Holding the button in now. And it heats up very fast. And here we go, I've finished doing this little area, and as you can see, quite a change. It's nice and clean. One of my daughters has got another lovely purple hair dye mark on the actual vinyl here, so hopefully this thing will move it. We'll find out in a few seconds. Now, she did her hair a week or so ago and put a mat over the top of it and didn't tell us. I think the proof is in the pudding. It worked. I'm wrapped. My final thoughts on the Select Steam Mop by Bissell. It worked as well you'd expect. It worked really well. Easy to put the water in. It heats up extremely fast. You've got a 6 metre lead, so you can actually get around the areas that you're working quite easily. The triangular head is, well, it's quite manoeuvrable, it swivels, and the actual mop pads themselves work quite well, and they're cleanable. You can throw them in the washing machine if you like, or clean them out in the sink or wherever. The scrubby pad that I used was really good for that rough section where the kids had come in with mud all over their feet, and we had apparently one of them had come in with silly putty, and I didn't realise that, and it stuck on the concrete outside, and it was dragged inside onto our floor. The mop got rid of that as well. The section in the bathroom where one of the girls had used hair dye and stained the actual vinyl tiles, I didn't expect it to work there, but as you saw, it cleaned that as well. So all up, very, very impressed. It doesn't heat up perhaps as hot as some of the other steam mops I've owned in the past, so you have to be a little wary and allow a little bit of time for the area you've just gone over to dry. And apart from that, it's got the thumbs up from me. It's really good, and I'm extremely happy with it. Anyway, all the very best. Hopefully I'll catch you on the next video, no matter what it happens to be. I haven't got a clue at the moment. We'll know when I make it. All the best till then. Bye for now.